Hey there, today I have my July Stitchfix box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is an online styling service where you have a personal stylist send you 5 items of clothing and or accessories based on a style profile that you complete online. I'll put a card up above to my playlist of Stitchfix unboxing videos so you can check it out to get more information about how the service works. Also, I'll put information in the description box below along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. Also in the description box I'll have, and I do this for every video, links in case you want to jump ahead to the unboxing, the try-on, or the end. I'll also put a link to my Pinterest board. So in case you see anything that I get that you want to pin, you can go to my Pinterest board and pin it to your Pinterest board. But anyway, let's see what I got. Okay, so this month I've got kind of a medium-sized box, but it does feel kind of heavy, and you'll see they kind of had a hard time fitting everything in, so it's really squished in. So let's see what I got this month. So here's what the box looks like, and you always have a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. There's also my information, and let's see what my bundle looks like. Okay. So here it is, and then here's the other side. You can see there's some color. So it looks pretty good. Let's take a look at my card. And of course I have my stylist Holly again. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll scan the note and I'll put it up above so you can read it if you want to. You can freeze the frame, but I'm gonna go ahead and read it real quick. Okay, so I really appreciate Holly, and if you read the note, you'll see that Stitchfix is very personalized. And not only does she look at my Pinterest board, and I guess I do send a note every month, but she also remembers what she sent me in the past. So, you know, I really do appreciate that. And that's why I think working with the same stylist over time, it just gets better and better. Anyway, okay, so let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, and the first item is this pretty blouse. This is just like, I love these kind of blouses, and maybe I have too many like this. This is by Fun to Fun. It's a size medium. It's the Walden split neck blouse, color white. Looks like it's like a kind of a crepe polyester, and this is $38. So not a bad price for this. And I think the colors are kind of more muted. There's pinks, it's off-white, and black. So yeah, very pretty. Oh, okay, and this is a dress, and it's by BRITTON, size medium. It's a Skylee brush knit dress. I think I have another, well, maybe not. So yeah, I love these kind of knit dresses. I think they're comfortable and perfect for work. I don't know if it's my favorite print, but we'll see how it looks. Sometimes you never know. Okay, that is $44. So yeah, it's not a bad price for a dress. And here is, okay, this is something I had actually pinned, and it's a romper. Remember I tried the romper a few months ago? This is a French gray Pippa brush knit romper, size medium, in the color blue. So yeah, this is really cute. I love the floral print. I'm not sure if it's a bit open in the back, but yeah, we'll see. Cute. Okay, next is, this must be the blazer. Okay, so this is a knit blazer. It's not really off-white though, it's kind of like a heathered oatmeal, and it's by TART, and it's a Darcie knit blazer, and it's a size medium in the color. It says beige. But it is cute. It's very lightweight though, and it's not lined. And the blazer is $98, so, which is a little bit on the high side for me. But we'll see how it looks. If it's totally amazing, I'd still buy it. Okay. And lastly, I have a pair of shorts. But these are by Just Black, size 28, made in the USA, and they are the distressed frayed hem short in the color tomato red, and it's a Stitchfix exclusive. So they're just basically a colored denim short, and it has these kind of frayed edges, and it has light distressing, not too bad though. But yeah, I think these are cute, and these are $58 and a size 6. Okay, so that's everything I got in this month's Stitchfix box. So now I'm gonna go and try everything on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first top. And I think it's pretty nice. It's cute. I put a tank top underneath because it's a little sheer, but it has kind of an interesting print and texture. And in the style card, she just had it with, I think, 2 ways. One was with jeans and some red shoes. So here's some red sandals that I just recently got from Nordstrom Rack, and they're by Kohan. So I haven't worn them out of the house. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep them yet. Let me know what you think on the shoes. But anyway, yeah, so here's the first shirt, and it's cute, very nice. Okay, so here is the dress, and I think it's a nice dress. It's very comfortable, and I love this kind of soft, super soft knit material. Well, I guess this is probably more of a 3/4 length sleeve, and very flowy. So I think this is flattering, I guess. And I'm not like super crazy about the print. It's just okay, but it is a nice dress, and I think it would be good for the office, you know, good work dress. And she also has it paired with a denim jacket. Okay, so here's how it looks with the denim jacket, and that's cute. I think everything goes with this denim jacket, to be honest. And this is that same denim jacket that I use in like almost every single one of my videos. It's cut from the cloth, and I bought it at Nordstrom. So I'll put a link down below in case you're interested. I recently actually bought a white denim jacket in the same style, but I haven't worn it yet. But anyway, here you go. All right, here's the romper. And actually, I think it's pretty cute. It wasn't too hard to put on. It's like a super soft knit material. Very cute print. I'll turn around. I don't know if it's a little baggy in the back, but hey, better than too tight. I have it paired with some sandals, just some regular tan sandals. And it's a bit low, so I put like a bralette, and this is just like a bralette from Costco. It's like a dupe of the one that you can get from Stitchfix. And yeah, I think it's cute. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'd wear it, but I kind of like it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, and also just to see what it looks like with the denim jacket, and because it is styled with a denim jacket in the style card. Same denim jacket, and I think that looks pretty cute. Although it's way too hot and humid to wear a denim jacket today, but whew, not bad. Okay, so here is the blazer. And so it's really just a jacket. It's more of a jacket than a blazer. And you'll see it has, what is that called, lapel? And zippered pockets that are real pockets. And it's a little long, so I just cuffed it. And so I styled it according to the style card with jeans, some flats, and a yellow top. So this is actually one of my favorite tops that I got from Golden Tote, and I do wear it a lot. And I have a small handbag. This is actually from Amazon. But anyway, so this is the blazer, and I like it. I think it's nice, and it fits nicely. Just not sure if I want to spend $98 on it. So I'll think about it. Okay, so lastly, I have the pair of red shorts, and they're nice actually. I like these. They're not too short, and they have a frayed edge. Sometimes shorts I notice are just unfinished. They're just cut off, but these are actually frayed, so they're probably not going to fray anymore, which is good. You're not going to have strings hanging out. So yeah, I think it fits nicely. It's a just black. I think it was size 28. And yeah, it's cute. So I just have it paired with, according to the style card, oh, not exactly, a striped top. And they had it with sandals, but I just wore white tennis shoes. And let's give it a purse. So anyway, yeah, so it's really cute. I like these shorts. I'm kind of debating though. $58 for a pair of shorts to me seems a little bit high. Because I wonder if I could find something similar, like say at Old Navy or Target, but I'm not sure. But anyway, okay, that's the last item. Okay, so that was everything I got in this month's Stitchfix box. And I sound like a broken record, but as always, I think my stylist Holly did a great job. I think everything looked really nice. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep, honestly. I did like everything. I really like these red shorts, surprisingly, but they were a little bit pricey for me for shorts. $58 for shorts. I'm gonna have to think about this. Also, I do like this romper. I thought it was really cute, and it was actually easy to get in and out of, and super soft. I like it, but I don't know. I'm just debating because it might be a little too young for me. I might have to ask my husband what he thinks. And I thought this dress was pretty, a practical dress. Do I need it? Probably not. I do love dresses though. The blazer was cute and it was a nice light knit material, but I'm not sure if that was exactly what I was looking for. I just have something in mind, you know. And this top was cute, but I don't know. I do have a lot of tops, so I'm gonna think about it. I'm kind of leaning toward these two, but let me know what you think. Okay, so let's quickly go over the invoice. Total for all 5 items is $286, less the buy 5 discount, 25% off, or $71.50. If I bought all 5, the entire box would be $214.50. Less, I had some promotional credit, so I'd like to thank Hannah Beth T, Simone S, India E, and Holly W. Thank you so much for using my referral link. Whenever you use my link, or anyone else's link for that matter, you get to try Stitchfix risk-free, meaning your $20 styling fee is waived if you order within 30 days. And also I do get a $25 credit. So thank you so much. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of monthly unboxing videos for clothing subscriptions. I also do some shopping hauls, and we'll see what else I come up with. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye now.